What's good, YouTube? We back with another video. I'm about to go have my favorite Thai dish, pad kapow guy. So good, I ain't gonna lie. Aloy Mac. That boy about to build him a nest, ain't he? Here it is, y'all. I was gonna get it with egg, but it's expensive, a little more expensive with egg, so I didn't get egg this time, even though the egg is really good. Man, I really need to learn Thai because I be trying to say stuff and they don't be knowing what I'm saying. But yeah, man, about to enjoy this tasty meal. Got me the original Thai beer. I ain't gonna lie, Shorty went crazy on this though. It's a little bit spicy. It's good. Aloy night. Yeah, she went crazy on this. I'm a firm believer that everything happens for a reason, because I told her I wanted my food to go, but I guess she didn't understand me. But it's kind of nice just sitting out here and eating, you know? Nice little breeze. Seeing little kids run around and stuff, have fun, you know? I think I was meant to actually sit out here, you know? God always puts you right where you need to be. Yeah, gang, I'm on some chill shit today, man. I ain't trying to do too much. I ain't trying to blow too much bread and shit. Spend a little $3 on my pack of pow and my beer. So, you know, I'm chilling. But today's been a good day so far. I went live for the first time with a good VPN since I've been in Thailand today. I did a 2.5 hour live and I actually made like $95 profit. So it's a good day, man. Little honey bun, little $100 day. I think I'm gonna go live again though, cause I'm just hungry, you feel me? But yeah, man, just got back to the spot. Man, that damn pack of pow was a little too spicy. I told her, Nit Noi cop, a little spicy. That shit was spicy as hell. My stomach about to be fucked up. But yeah, man, I'm just chilling today, bruh. Trying to live real modest out here, but I'm gonna have to go out and do shit. You know, I got certain shit I want to do, but I just want to get a certain amount of work done first. So that's why I'm gonna be grinding TikTok and shit. Once I see the money coming in consistently, I'm gonna be going out and doing shit more, so that I can make better YouTube content as well. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, this is what we looking like for the day so far. 266 GMV, $96 commission. That's from a 2.5 hour live stream, selling the product on live stream, you feel me? Little honey bun, little $100 But like I said, I think I'm gonna go live again later tonight. Normally, on a normal day, like back home, I go live like an hour, 2 if I'm lucky, like 2 hours if I'm lucky, but I'm really trying to like lock in, cause I really want to be making at least $100 to $200 a day. So I might fuck around and do another 2 hour long, I might fuck around and do another 2 hour live stream later tonight. Cause for real, this ain't enough. You feel me? People was asking me to make more videos talking about how I make money on TikTok shop and shit. So I'm gonna drop a little bit more sauce for y'all, but for the most part, I make most of my bread on TikTok shop with doing live streams. I do make videos too. I do TikTok shop videos as well, but the videos don't really do as well for me. They don't convert as well for me. I do videos every day as well as try to do the live streams every day, but the live streams is where I really make my bread. But you know, when I'm really focused and I'm really like on my shit, my goal is to make $100 a day, cause like that shit add up. You feel me? Like even if I just go live 4 or 5 days a week, you know, that's $500. But I really trying to go live every day. So while I'm in here in Thailand, since I need to have a certain amount of income to send back home to the fam, I'm gonna be definitely going live every day. I really don't have no excuse. I'm here alone. It's quiet. You know, I might have company every now and then, but for the most part, I'm here alone. It's no excuse not to lock in. You feel me? Y'all, I'm bored. It's like 95 degrees outside. So I think I'm gonna make a beat today. I haven't made a beat in a minute. All right, let's cook. I haven't done this in so long. I literally forgot how to even do this shit. But I know it's gonna come back to me as I go. Okay. Okay. I don't know how the fuck I knew that, but okay. So add another melody, like a counter melody or something, you know? That's kind of hard. That's hard. What y'all think, man? First beat I made in like probably like 4 months. I don't even know. What y'all think? Yeah, I just found this little chill spot outside the place that I'm staying at, so I'm just out here cooling right now for real. I had a couple people in my last videos asking me like to drop some more information on how to do TikTok shop. So I'm gonna say one of the main things you need to do if you want to do TikTok shop is I believe you have to have 1,000 followers and you have to get accepted into the pilot program, or you can have 5,000 followers. It might be 5 or 10. They change it every now and then, but I think you gotta have 5,000, and then you can just pretty much just get directly in. And just because you get in TikTok shop does not mean you're gonna just make money. You have to find products that are actually gonna sell. So it might take trial and error, you know, you might not make nothing, to be honest. I make most of my money on TikTok shop live streams. I'm not gonna tell y'all exactly what products I do because I can't leak all the sauce, but you just gotta experiment with different stuff and figure out what works for you. But yeah, man, it's a beautiful day, you know what I'm saying? Spend a little bit of time in nature, feel me? Man, I really love Thailand, man. It's really like, I don't know how people come here and literally want to go back home to America, bro. I don't want to go back. I ain't gonna lie. It's so much negative shit going on back home. And I'm trying not to bring that negativity here and trying to stay focused. But, you know, some days it's harder than others. But it just seemed like every couple of days is something new, man. People just can't catch a break. So I don't know if any of y'all are into journaling, but I actually just bought me a new journal. I bought it on this app called Lazada, and Lazada is basically Thailand's version of Amazon. And the picture on Lazada of the journal looked completely different than this, and I was kind of pissed, but you know what? It is what it is. It's a journal, and I'm gonna use it. But never did I think it was gonna have like fucking, I don't even know what this is called. Like, I don't even know. Like, you can put shit in here. Like, I don't know. Maybe I'll find some. Maybe I'll take some Polaroids or something and put them in here or something. I don't fucking know. But some of the pages are like this type of paper. I don't know. I'm gonna write on these shits too. Fuck it. And then like in the back, it's like regular paper. But I think I'm gonna write on these first for Thailand or whatever. I'm about to start writing in it today. Just got me a pen. Keep my journaling going. Journaling is great for manifestation. So if y'all are trying to manifest anything, definitely start journaling every day.